WikiHow is a website full of how-to articles for literally anything you can think of. I mean, they seriously have it's absolute nonsense. We're gonna hit the random article button, see what we get, do all the steps, and see if it works. This is how to follow through. Okay, let's go.
If I shoot him with a paintball gun, is that illegal? If he's on my property?
He's not gonna try, though.
Oh, he's not gonna see me.
way, dog.
I'll be sitting on my roof on like a lawn chair.
Someone did that in my, development.
Oh my god.
What?
Your uncle scared the shit out of me. I didn't know anyone was here.
How to follow through. We're back again. The last time was, again, probably a success. Okay. How to follow through. We're back again because the last time was, again, probably a success. I still don't have hair on my leg. It hasn't grown back yet. But we are back again to hit the random article button and find out exactly what we'll be doing today. So, exciting. Are you kidding me?
Bonjour.
No, it's bonjour.
No, that's the basic hello is bonjour.
Wait, I took French.
You did. So tell me what other ways to say hello are.
Bon
weekend is to have a good weekend.
Bon weekend. Salut.
Oh yeah, that's another one.
Hello. Bienvenue. So you showed up at my house. Bienvenue. Bienvenue. We already did this. It's complete. We did it. Episode over, everybody. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you learned some French. Click.
Oh my
We
god.
can do this. You ever wanted to run away? Oh, we can call the 1-800-RUN-AWAY number and talk about
What?
planning to run
Yes.
away. Wait till you have the right opportunity to make a run for it. Little pink hat. If you run away, do you have to wear a little colored hat? Is that the thing? Hey, look, she's wearing one too.
Maybe it's just really hard to draw the top of people's heads.
Planning, maybe. Long term, that's just a curve.
You would have to start a new life.
Yes. Live near large grocery stores or candy stores. Because they have food samples?
Oh my god.
This is some life hack shit.
Well,
You'll probably need money at some point, so learn how to panhandle.
Dude, this is ridiculous.
Is that like homeless?
Don't use the foreign accent ploy. They'll call that bullshit right away.
We learned French
We
already.
did. We could be homeless French urchins. Decide what happens when you run out of food. Use pepper spray if needed. Again, the little hat. Don't get pulled into
Oh
prostitution.
my god.
That's a good tip. Is money really essential to run away? Yeah, you need to pay for things, dude.
This guy doesn't have $10.
141 people found that helpful.
Damn. Well, think about this actually. Think about how many kids who are like in distress and they're like, how do I run away? And this is what shows up.
Yeah.
What if it's temporary so that I can see how much they really miss me?
Dude,
Yeah.
what?
Wear a cap or something that reasonably covers your head/face because of CCTV footage. The hats are so that you don't get recognized.
Dude.
Boom.
Who's that?
From the
From
office.
the office, dog. What? You know what's really funny about it? People are actually looking this up. It's like,
Yeah.
man, who's the most likable person I know? It's Jim Halpert from the office.
That's the key.
That's who I need to be.
Make people believe you're British.
I got really excited for that movie.
Yeah, dude. I've always wanted to trick people to thinking I had like an accent. Making someone believe you're British. If you eat British foods and watch British TV shows on your own time, how is it gonna make anybody think that you're British? Like, unless you're just hoping that they'll walk through the room and be like, oh, I was just watching Sherlock. I'm sorry.
You can't do that in British accent.
So, oh, I'm sorry. I was just watching Sherlock, my favorite show.
No, I'd be like, Jared, I knew for all these years, I never knew you were British.
It turns out I'm British. So is this if
Oh, it's
you're
probably if you're
living?
going to-
Yeah, if you're living in Britain. All right, here we go. Please, something we can do. Weird that okay.
Your British accent's so good that it's like, this guy needs an
Yeah,
American
did they
accent
hear
now.
through the computer? Bangarang. This is. We need. Yeah. Yes. Yes. That's true.
Why are you looking at me?
Pretend you're just talking to one of your friends, Kevin. That's all
not
it's
that
gotta
easy.
be. It's not that easy. Don't try too hard to possess them. Impress them. I almost said possess. Work to ease your nervousness. Hello.
Oh yeah, tap her on the shoulder.
Yeah. Well, no, this is like isn't even tapping on. This is like tapping the air behind your shoulder. Like confident body language, just like,
They
right.
puff your.
Arch your back so much that your spine is permanently damaged, and the
Look,
conversation.
he's pushing his spine out even more. He's like
with his hand.
Yeah, he's trying to get it.
He's like, look, notice me. Oh, you want to do it?
No.
Okay. Go. Crystals. You want to make crystals? We can do this. This is just water and spices and borax. Stop it. Don't touch anything, okay? You're like a 5-year-old kid. This is it. We should make crystals. Look at this. Look how cool this is. All right, let's do it. Come on. Be excited.
You're gonna be
crystals. Crystals! For the Borax and Alum, we took a trip to the grocery store, which apparently sells these things. Onward, chauffeur. Okay. Because people use this stuff, like outside of stupid how-to articles. Go. Fill a jar with 1 cup of hot tap water. We had to just kind of. Add 3 tablespoons of borax to the jar, stirring until most of the borax dissolves. Look at that. Fresh borax. Right in the box. 1, 2, 3. Let's hope we're not creating some sort of dangerous chemical solution. So, stir in 5 to 10 drops of liquid food coloring if you want colored crystals. Do we want colored crystals?
Of course.
Alright, so then you take the mac and cheese.
That's a separate experiment. 3, 4, 5.
That's good. That's
Stir
good.
it, yeah. It's gonna get so boring.
So now we need to take this. Should I wait for this to
Yes.
happen? I'm waiting for the mac and cheese. We tie a 2 to 3 inch piece of string to a pencil for longer crystals.
What's that?
Delicate. And that's what we call a knot in the business, ladies and gentlemen. We got the string on the pencil. Dipped into the borax. Step 7, let the crystal grow for 1 to 2 days. Can we get a mac and cheese check?
Can I get a mac and cheese check?
Pretty good. Now we wait 1 to 2 days.
Can you hold it over the sink more, please? Thank you.
This is.
Oh my god, are you kidding
Drop
me?
it, just drop it. I didn't mean to do that.
Are you joking?
Look at his hand,
You
it's all red.
spilled boiling water all over
Yeah, I got it over
Kevin's
my
hand.
leg too.
Are you a maniac? Why'd you go in that fast?
Can we lower it? It kind of like splashed through.
Just pour slowly. That's all you need to do. It's like you've never made mac and cheese before. Just flung boiling water all over the kitchen. Yeah, make sure we're gonna make this right next to the borax.
Is that good?
Define good. Mac and cheese break.
Would you like some mac and cheese?
Method 2 of 2 making alum geodes. Step 1, crack or
Cracker.
Step 1, crack or cut 1 egg in half width size and carefully rinse out the shells. Alright?
We need to get the eggs.
So we need eggs for the alum geodes, so why not just get them fresh, baby? So we got chickens for a reason.
I'm stealing your babies, bitch. Eggs. Mmm.
Great. Right on the chair. Good job, buddy. Egg. And you dropped it on purpose because you were trying to be funny. Now you have to clean it up.
Why does it break so easily?
Because they're eggs. What do you
Yeah, but
think?
like
No, don't make him eat raw egg. No,
He's a dog.
Yeah,
He's
he's
an
gonna
animal.
get salmonella.
He will not get salmonella. I don't think dogs can get salmonella.
Dogs weren't meant to eat eggs in the wild. Kevin, are you serious? We needed that. It's okay?
It's fine.
Okay. You need to use a cotton swab to spread a layer of glue on the inside of the shell. Very nice.
Okay, I think that's good.
3. Sprinkle a pinch of alum inside each shell and let the glue dry overnight. Boil 2 cups of water and transfer it into a container. Is it still hot? Alright, let's transfer that shit. We have to stir in 3/4 cup. That's 3/4 of a cup of alum, letting it cool for 10 minutes. Put the whole thing in. And this other one too.
Just keep stirring it?
Yep. So it's a solution.
Oh.
Step 6, add 40 drops of food coloring if you want colored crystals. Should we do a blue-green
Mix?
mixture? Why not, right?
Make purple.
Blue-green. Red and blue make purple.
Right.
Okay.
What the hell is blue green making?
Blue-green is a color.
Oh.
What do you... Kevin! 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, well, it'll probably work. There we go. And then this one. Alright. So I guess we'll check back and see if it worked, right?
Right.
After spending a full 24 hours sitting in a closet and doing nothing, I went back to check on the crystals. Nothing. There's nothing in there. Borax, you son of a bitch. Well, that was an accident. Houston, we have crystals. I grew some crystals in this egg, and there were some in here, but they fell out into the vat. So we'll try to get those out, and we'll let these dry, and maybe, just maybe, we'll have a bunch of yummy little crystals on our hands. All right, let's check on the crystals again. What the hell? Kevin?
Are the crystals done?
Yeah, come in. Here's the crystals.
Wow.
Cool, right? I mean, it doesn't look exactly like the picture,
What
but
is this?
that it fell out. You like crystals?
Yeah, they were okay.
So that's like a half success, but
I wanted this one to work.
yeah, well, we're not all winners. Borax didn't work. Borax is out, alum is in. It's all about alum these days.
On to the next one.
Alright, no, okay. It was then I realized that I had made a fateful mistake. During editing, I saw that I accidentally used a teaspoon instead of a tablespoon to measure out the borax, severely undercutting the amount we should have used.
1, 2, 3.
I rushed back into the kitchen to try again, and sure enough, correctly measuring out the borax resulted in the crystals forming. Turned out that I was wrong, after all the blame that I'd put on the borax. Borax, you son of a bitch. We're not all winners. Borax didn't work. Borax is out, alum is in. I pleaded. I said I was sorry, but it wasn't enough. All of a sudden, I remembered all the good times. The laughs. The smiles. The love. But it was too late. I couldn't take back all the horrible things I said. What we had, I just threw it all away with heartless words. And all I could do was watch him leave. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something about geology or your own emotions, maybe, or your choices. I sure did. Yeah, so hope that was crystal clear.
Yeah. Subscribe if you want some more, and I'll see you next time, I guess.